In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram reel with live video from your phone. First thing I do is go to my Instagram account, go on the plus on the bottom, reel on the bottom, click on camera, and then you can see here it's facing here. For this reel, I'm focusing on Cultivating Genius by Gholdy Muhammad. This book promotes student empowerment. I paused it, now I go there on the bottom, and now I have it like a selfie, and then I can do like a voice. I can say, so this book is really powerful, ladies and gentlemen, check it out. It empowers students through the historical literacy framework. That's it. Now I'm done, and I click on next. Here's what I got right here. My dog is barking. And I can leave it like that if I like. And if you have a dog barking in the background, it could be a problem as well. Come on, Wan-chan. You weren't barking the whole day. Now all of a sudden you're barking. Okay, if I want to add some music, then I can go, I'll just pick something. You have not barked the entire day. What you trying to do right now, huh? So I got a song here. I put it on. It's really loud, so I'm gonna go on the controls. I'm gonna make the audio, camera audio loudest and a little quiet right here. So I go done, and then I can post my reel. So simple as that, made it a little complicated with all different noises, but you can see that this is a way to do a quick reel. Take about a minute and a half reel might take 10 minutes, right, of editing, max, maybe 5 on your phone. Could be a little bit quicker. So this is how you could use an Instagram reel for our equity challenge. All right, see y'all later.